Welcome to Once Upon a Tale of Kids. Join us on magical adventures filled with enchanting stories, fun animal friends, and exciting lessons. Don't miss a single moment of the fun. Hit the subscribe button and be part of our storytime journey. Let the tales begin.
In a lush, beautiful jungle, all the animals lived in harmony. But this jungle wasn't ruled by just any one animal. There were three heroic kings, each with their own special qualities. Meet Leo the lion, the king of courage. He was known for his bravery and willingness to protect all creatures, no matter how small. Next, the camera moves to a towering elephant, Ellie, standing proudly by the river, her trunk lifting water for other animals. This is Ellie the elephant, the queen of wisdom. She always knew what to do in times of trouble and shared her wise advice with others. The last king is a fast and clever cheetah named Charlie, running swiftly through the grasslands with great agility. And this is Charlie the cheetah, the king of speed. His quick thinking and speed made him the fastest problem solver in the jungle. One fateful day, a storm came, and the jungle was thrown into chaos. The animals were scared and didn't know where to go. That's when the three kings knew it was time to act. Leo the lion took charge. With his mighty roar, he called all the animals to come together and stay calm. Leo helps guide the smaller animals to higher ground, showing his bravery by leading them through the storm. His courage inspires others. Ellie the elephant used her wisdom to guide the animals to safety. She reminded them that if they worked together, they would survive the storm. And Charlie the cheetah raced through the jungle, scouting the area with incredible speed. He found the quickest paths and led the animals to safety, always ahead of the storm. Thanks to the bravery, wisdom, and speed of the three kings, all the animals were safe. The jungle may have been hit by a storm, but together, they overcame it. The animals learned that day that courage, wisdom, and speed, when used together, can overcome any challenge. Each king had a special role, but it was their teamwork that saved the jungle. The camera shows the animals returning to their peaceful lives, with Leo, Ellie, and Charlie walking side by side, smiling. Remember, kids, just like Leo, Ellie, and Charlie, you have special strengths too. Whether it's your courage, wisdom, or speed, use them to help others, and you'll be a hero too. End title screen. The end. Be a hero in your own way. This story teaches kids the values of bravery, wisdom, and teamwork while emphasizing that everyone has unique strengths to contribute to solving problems.